Let me show you how to invite people to your groups that you've created on Zotero. So guys, welcome back to the tutorial. I'm Andrew. So once you're inside your Zotero account, guys, simply click on groups at the top here and you will find those groups that you've created. When you just created a group, you will see that it has one member and that's going to be yourself. But in order to invite people to the group, you just want to click on manage members. And here you will find the current members that will show yourself as the owner. And here you can go, if you look towards the bottom, you will see membership invitations. You can click on send more invitations. And here you'll have this box. All you have to do is enter email addresses or usernames, and you want to separate them by commas or lines, which is basically the pipe. So you can either separate them by commas or you can separate them by the pipe option here like this, and you'll be able to add someone in Zotero. So let's say somebody called Bobby or Robbie or something like that. I can say Robbie and I can say pipe, I can say comma, and I can just basically type the next person. I could type Peter. You get the idea, right? Or I can just use the pipe option, space pipe, and I could just say Joy, for example. Yeah, you send these people, this is what their username is, you will do it and you send the invitation and they'll get it. Otherwise, you can do this for email addresses and whatever at gmail.com. You get the general idea how you can do that. So you do that, guys, and you add people to your groups on Zotero, right? So that's how you easily go ahead and add someone in Zotero. Very easy and very simple, guys.